A single donut is great, but a whole box of donuts is way better. More quantity, the same quality, and each donut costs less.
That's exactly how Educaplay works. With a team plan, you get a box with multiple individual plans for your team at a much lower price.
The bigger the box, the cheaper each donut.
Get as many individual plans as you want and choose advanced, academic, or commercial.
You might not be completely sure what each type of plan includes right now.
Or maybe you've just arrived at Educaplay and don't really know us yet.
If that's the case, we recommend starting with a 3-minute video where we introduce ourselves. You'll find it on the homepage and in the support section.
Among other things, we explained that Educaplay is your digital Swiss Army knife for improving student performance and motivation.
That more than 100 independent studies have proven its effectiveness across all subjects.
And that using your own content, you can create 19 different types of games, quizzes, matching activities, word searches, ordering words, and more.
On top of that, thanks to Ray, your AI assistant, you can create them in less than a minute. Just give it a PDS from one of your lessons, it will read it and automatically generate the game, or simply tell it what you need.
And pay attention, because this AI-powered creator is included in all our paid plans, including team plans.
There's another important ingredient that instead of adding it, we remove: advertising. Our free plan lets you create as many games as you want, and they can be played by as many people as you like, even at the same time.
But to make that possible, we need to include ads in the games and in the creation process.
With any team plan, advanced, academic, or commercial, all the games created by your team are completely ad-free.
And these aren't the only ingredients included in team plans.
Here are a few more. Everyone on your team can add a background image to their games.
Decide whether games are public or have restricted visibility.
Require players to identify themselves before playing so their scores are saved.
And display a custom final message to anyone who completes the game successfully.
For example, the code to open a lock in an escape room.
And this is important. As an administrator, you can make global decisions for your team's games.
For instance, you can require identification before playing in all games created by your team.
Everything is managed from the Customized Games section at the bottom.
By default, each person can decide these settings, but if you prefer, you can centralize control.
And since we're here, let's take a look at the Assign Licenses panel. This is where you hand out the plans. Each license corresponds to one individual plan of the type you purchased.
Just enter each person's email address and click Assign Licenses.
They'll receive an email welcoming them to your team and letting them know about their new powers.
If they already have an Educaplay account, their plan will be upgraded automatically.
And if they're not registered yet, we'll explain how to do it. Once they create their account, the assigned plan will be applied automatically.
That's it. Simple as that.
Like any team, people will come and go over time.
That's why you can add or remove members from your team plan whenever you need to.
We're almost done. Now let's quickly review what each type of plan includes.
You can find all the details in the Plan section from the top or bottom menu.
In short, everything we've explained so far and a bit more is included in the Advanced.
The Academic includes everything above and adds a few key benefits.
The main one, integration of your games with learning management platforms.
Google Classroom, Canvas, Moodle, Teams, and any platform compatible with LTI or SCORM.
When you integrate a game, player scores are automatically saved in the platform's gradebook.
So convenient. Everything neatly organized without having to check Educaplay reports.
However, with the academic plan, in the Educaplay report section, you can see full details of each game session, answers, correct responses, and mistakes.
If you choose the commercial option, you can also replace Educaplay's colors and logos with your own.
From the Customized Games section, you can set your corporate identity to be applied by default to all your team's games.
We won't take up any more of your time.
You can request a no-obligation quote from the Plans page by filling out a form that takes less than 2 minutes.
As soon as we review your request, we'll contact you with a proposal tailored to your needs.
And if you want, you can try the donuts before buying the box. We offer the team plan free for a few days so your team can explore everything Educaplay can do for you.
And if you'd like, we can also run practical training sessions to help you get the most out of Educaplay.